Hello, and welcome to another TPOS tutorial. In this video, I will demonstrate how to generate reports, notify FRCS of any mismatches, and claim any missing provisional taxes, withheld and remitted by the payer. Taxpayers who make certain types of payments to other taxpayers are required to withhold tax from such payments and pay the withheld amount to FRCS. The deducted amount from the payment must match with what has been paid to FRCS. However, there will be scenarios where the deducted and paid amount to FRCS will not match. Therefore, this process is built for taxpayers to 1. Generate reports for withheld amount at source and remitted to FRCS. 2. Notify FRCS for any mismatches. 3. Claim any missing withheld taxes. First, you need to log in with your correct user ID and password. Now, select the request tile to proceed. Here, you'll see multiple request types. Click Statements, then select Withholding Tax Statement. You'll need to fill in the relevant fields, starting with the periods you want to view the withheld taxes. Enter the dates from and dates to, and click the Generate button. This will populate a table where you can view the withheld tax statements for all tax types that you're registered for. Select the tax type and click the notification icon to notify FRCS and provide your explanation for any discrepancy. Attach any relevant supporting documents. Click the declaration checkbox and submit your request. Now let's go back and make a request to claim for missing withholding tax. Return to the dashboard. Click Request, click on Statement and then select Withholding Tax Statement. Click on Claim Missing Withholding Tax button. Select tax type as PT. Enter the payer TIN. Enter the date of withholding. Enter the amount subject to withholding tax, and enter the amount withheld. Now, enter a brief description of the payment. Upload evidence of withholding. Click the declaration checkbox and click Submit. After submitting, an acknowledgement page will be displayed with your reference number. You can also click and download the acknowledgement letter when the form is submitted and auto-processed. You will be notified via the correspondence tile on the TPOS dashboard. We hope that you have been able to follow through. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more tutorial videos. For more information or queries, please email info@frcs.org.fj.